Hello, my name is Crystalee and welcome to ESL with Crystalee. Today we have a fun exercise to do with kitchen, chicken, kitten. Kitchen, chicken, kitten. Many of my students need help with this. Kitchen, chicken, kitten. Can you say it fast? Kitchen, chicken, kitten. Try it. Kitchen, chicken, kitten. You do it. Kitchen, chicken, kitten. It's hard for me to do too. Okay, let's get started. First, kitchen. 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 A kitchen is a room where food is cooked. You have a kitchen in your home where you cook food. All right, here we go. My grandmother cooks in the kitchen. All right, kitchen. Kitchen. Starts with kit, ends with chen. Kitchen. Next, we have chicken. 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 Cool. A chicken is a bird kept for its eggs or meat. Chicken. Chicken. My grandmother cooks chicken in the kitchen. Can you say that? My grandmother cooks chicken in the kitchen. Chicken in the kitchen. Third word, kitten. 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 A kitten is a young cat or a baby cat. The kitten likes to eat chicken in the kitchen. All right, can you do that one? The kitten likes to eat chicken in the kitchen. Let's go faster. The kitten likes to eat chicken in the kitchen. The kitten likes to eat chicken in the kitchen. The kitten likes to eat chicken in the kitchen. It's hard. Okay, now let's review. What room do you cook in? It's a kitchen. What bird do you eat? I eat chicken. And what is a baby cat? A baby cat is a kitten. Good. Now it's time to spin the wheel. Okay, let's spin the wheel. What is it? It's a kitten. What is it? It's a kitten. What is it? It's a chicken. What is it? It's a chicken. What is it? It's a kitten. Very good. What is it? It's a kitchen. Good. What is it? It's a kitchen. Chicken, kitchen, 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 chicken. It's a kitchen. Good. And the last one. What is it? It's a chicken. Very good. Great job. Okay, thanks for playing Spin the Wheel. Now we have a short book written by me, Crystalee. The title of the book is Kittens and Chickens in the Kitchen. After giving my kitten chicken, I help my mom clean the kitchen. On my farm, we have cows and chickens. There is even a kitten we see from the kitchen window. The chicken will not eat the kitten, but the kitten will eat the chicken in the kitchen. Okay, now you try. Okay, so keep trying to read that faster and faster and faster until you can do it as quickly as I read it. Thank you for spending time with me learning about the chicken and the kitten in the kitchen. I had a lot of fun. Try to say it as fast as you can. Read the book many times and see if you can get quicker and quicker saying kitchen, chicken, kitten, kitten, chicken, kitchen, chicken, kitten, kitchen, kitchen, chicken, kitten, kitten, kitchen, chicken. It's not easy even for me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. High five. Wop. Bye bye.